The Sherpa pod! We could use it like a giant crash bubble. Scott, you take Goose up in the jetpack. Me and Bear can shelter in the pod. What do you say, Bear? Want to get buried in another avalanche? Awesome. We'll be back for you. Just don't forget where we're buried. Aren't you going to film this for your vlog? It's gonna be totally intense.
Nah, I think I'll skip it.
I get it. I'm just not cool enough for your vlog.
Are you kidding me? You're Alan Tracy, the coolest, most extreme person there is.
What? You think I'm cool?
Totally. You do crazy, intense stunts every day to save people. You're Alan Tracy. You're international rescue.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
If I put you in my vlog, nobody would watch me. Next to you, the bear is nothing. When Alan Tracy's around, the cam stays well off.
Brandon Behringer thinks I'm cool. Imagine that.
I see them! Deploying magnetic grappling cables.